Have you ever wondered why some months casinos feel packed with Baccarat players, while other months feel unusually quiet? It turns out global events have a huge impact on how many people walk into casinos and how Baccarat trends shift over time. Global events shape player behavior in ways most people never realize. Economic changes are one of the biggest factors. When the economy is strong, more people are willing to travel, visit casinos, and take bigger risks at the Baccarat table. You will often see higher betting averages and more high rollers during boom periods. On the other hand, financial downturns slow everything down. Casual players stay home, and Baccarat tables feel quieter. High rollers still play, but they become more cautious. They test more strategies, reduce their bet sizes, and choose casinos that offer better perks. Travel trends also play a major role. When tourism increases, Baccarat popularity rises, especially in places like Macau, Singapore, and Las Vegas. Major holidays like Chinese New Year bring a massive wave of players. You can literally feel the energy shift in the room during these peak times. Technology and online trends influence Baccarat as well. When major digital events happen, such as the launch of new live dealer platforms or VR casinos, more players move online. This shifts betting patterns and forces casinos to rethink how they offer Baccarat to stay competitive. Even cultural events influence Baccarat trends. When a celebrity is seen playing, or when Baccarat gets featured in a popular movie, interest spikes instantly. Search numbers go up, casinos report more table activity, and curiosity spreads across social media. Global events shape Baccarat more than we think. The next time you notice the table feeling extra crowded or strangely empty, there might be a bigger story behind it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy learning how Baccarat connects to the world around us, make sure to subscribe to Baccarat Report. We break it all down in simple and exciting ways.